Okay. Hi. We are here driving through Southwest Detroit,
Michigan Avenue,
on our way to go get a sandwich. Okay, Shingo, where are we at today?
Bellacino's.
Yeah.
Pizza grinders.
Grinders.
Dearborn, Michigan.
My friend Shingo and I decided that we wanted to get some grinders, and we're out here getting grinders. We're in Dearborn, Michigan. This place is Bellacino's, also Haagen-Dazs.
I love Haagen-Dazs.
HG.
Or HG.
Oh, wait a second. Sorry, ice cream is no longer. HG closed. What do we got? What do we get?
Stromboli.
Stromboli.
Chicago.
Chicago.
Steak.
Italian.
Should we start lightest to heaviest? Or
What's
backwards?
What's the heaviest?
I feel like the Stromboli is probably heavy.
Stromboli.
It's like cheesy, then you got meaty, and then you got like a lighter one.
I feel like we should start with the light, like start with the salad, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Bellacino's.
Oh
Is
my
that
God.
like nice pants? Pretty pants.
Yeah, these are really nice pants. Dang.
Just like how my nonna makes it. It's awesome.
Oh, of course I ruined it. That's fine. Wow. Look at these things.
What's on
You seeing this?
Dude, there's cheese.
There's cheese, there's tomato, there's looks like mayo, mushrooms, meats,
Pepper.
pepper.
Cool, cheers.
Salud.
Bellacino's.
Bellacino. Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at the bottom of the bread.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna say it's a little too toasty on top here, but
I like them.
it's good. It needs it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm making a mess.
Damn.
What's your favorite rabbit character?
Rabbit?
I feel like this is a very rabbit situation here.
Buster Bunny
Oh,
from Tiny Toons.
Is that Bugs Bunny
It's-
playing with Buster?
No, Buster Bunny was the younger version of like a bunny type race.
Who's like the baby one?
Yeah. Him and
Oh.
Babs. Buster and Babs Bunny. I think it was Babs.
No.
Damn, it's good. I really like this. Okay, so super cheesy. It's got like Italian sausage and meats. Yeah, I guess it's got sausage.
Yeah, I must have. Yeah.
Or maybe they just accidentally put sausage on mine. No, it's got it all over it.
No, I have a little crumb of it right here.
It's good. And super melty. Nice oven roasted meats. Deli meat though. Still super good.
Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Mushrooms are a good addition.
Mm-hmm.
Good amount of meat. Thank you. Juan.
Fun. Next.
Let's go for the Chicago.
The Chicago.
steak.
Chicago, we're coming for you.
Chicago.
Chicago.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. Yeah, cheese explosion here. Oh, there's more things in the to eat. That just eat it. Eat it. Yeah.
Crunchy.
Good old meaty boy.
So why do we pick this one over the other one?
So it was between this and the steak. The steak. Pull out my trusty map. The steak was thinly sliced ribeye covered with mushrooms, onions, green peppers, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and mayo. Similar to that of the Italian, only with steak. The Chicago, different story, thinly sliced ribeye smothered with mushrooms, onions. I lost it. Found it. Cheese. Bellacino's own garlic spread. This one has garlic spread on it. It's garlic bread.
That's better.
This one's better. This one's better.
Can I choose the provolone?
I think it's I forgot. What was it again? It just says cheese.
Okay.
It just says
Cheers.
so we have cheese, And steak and mushroom and onion. I don't know if you can see all of that.
You can smell it.
You can definitely smell garlic bread.
You always try to take the biggest bite all the time. I've seen you eat, man. It's fun.
I don't know. Do I?
I mean, I know you're not intentionally trying to eat it in the least amount of bites, but you really crush your food.
Yeah, I do.
It's cool.
I don't think it's a problem. Thank you. I mean, definitely not the healthiest way, I don't think.
As long as you chew your food, that's what matters.
I think it's chewed. This is really good. It's gravy-y, steaky. The cheese is cheesy.
Man, I forgot to even think about what I was eating. I was just like eating it.
No, this is actually like, I don't know, I really like this one a lot. This is what I think of when I think of a grinder. Super melty cheese.
Yeah.
Very oniony. It's just savory to the maximum.
Good temperature.
Mm-hmm.
The bread's tight.
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
Oh, this is a great idea.
The ribeye not too dry.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, that place you went to in New York was deep.
Johnny's Luncheonette.
Mm-hmm. I want to go there so bad.
Awesome spot. Also a grinder joint. That dude kills it.
It looks so good.
Check out Johnny's Luncheonette and Bellacino's.
All 5 locations, or
There's got to be way more than 5. I'm pretty sure that there's Bellacino's in like Missouri. But they're a Michigan chain, I believe. They're
Have you been to
good.
Mancino's before?
No.
It's kind of like this.
Also a grinder joint, right? Mm-hmm. I like it a lot.
I think it's a good sign when shit falls out when you eat it.
Yeah.
When you eat sandwiches.
I think it's a good thing when you get grease all over your face. And you have to use a napkin.
Yeah.
That's how you know that you're working with the best sandwiches. This is a great idea.
I love cheese and bread.
You can't go wrong here.
Every sandwich needs cheese.
Every sandwich.
Every sandwich.
Every single sandwich.
Every sandwich. At least a cheese spread. Like a bagel sandwich, for instance, doesn't need cheese, but like a cheesy spread is always nice.
What about a BLT?
Yeah. Why not? Or like a cheesy bread, maybe. So some kind of cheese element. Not necessarily a slice.
I mean, don't get me wrong. I prefer if there's a nice little
Hot
melty
sandwiches
cheese.
definitely need some cheese.
Oh.
That's for sure.
I mean, you can get a toasty BLT with hot bacon, crispy, nice lettuce, a nice fresh tomato.
Dude, have you tried Street Beat's cheese sticks?
Mm-mm.
That looks so good. Speaking of fried cheese.
They look huge. Street Beats cheese sticks are about this size. At least from like what I saw on the Instagram.
Chunky things. It's like a huge sausage. So 3/4 pounder.
I'm interested to try the texture. I wonder what it'd be like. Street Beat, if you see this, we want to eat your cheese sticks. That's it.
Baked cheese.
It's a good sandwich. We didn't even talk about the sandwich that much, but worth it.
It looks very bland, but it's very
not.
tasty.
It's super garlicky, juicy.
What I love about grinders, like they toast both sides of the bread at once, you know. So dope. He knows what's up. Agua, baby. Oh. I had to dump yours out because like a bunch of cola came into it. Welcome back. Sandwich number 3. All right.
Stromboli.
Strombols.
Strombolski?
Whoa. Dude, look at the sausage on this one.
This is a violent amount of sausage.
Damn.
Yeah, I mean.
It's like a brain.
Let's pull that boy up. Oh my god. Bellacino sandwiches.
Yes.
Wow, dude. This is ooey gooey pizza grinder right here.
Yeah, that might be the one that puts us out.
So we went lightest to heaviest.
Yeah.
None of them were light.
No.
This is not light.
Yeah, the Italian one was actually pretty.
Oh my god, it's actually heavy, dude.
There's like marinara in here.
Well, there's marinara sauce, or pizza sauce rather. A lot of Italian sausage, green pepper, yellow pepper, cheese.
Your brains.
My brains are spewing.
That's a good burp.
That was a good burp. Props.
Just took a bite, mostly bell pepper or banana pepper. Not bad.
This is a fat boy meal.
Yeah, this one is way more intricate. It's not as like you can't have to eat it all together. It's cool.
This reminds me of like being a kid and like walking to the pizza shop on your own for the first few times. You're not going to get a whole pizza to yourself. You would get one of these.
Yeah. This are a calzone.
Calzone. It means underwear in Spanish. That's true.
This one's really willy. This one's pretty sweet. The tomato sauce is pretty.
Sugary sauce. Also garlicky too, though.
Yeah. It's like,
This is a lot, though.
it's all over my hands.
Yes. So the exterior, I don't know if it's oily because they brush it with oil when they press it, but it's definitely oily. And this whole sandwich is oily, but not like. I would say the oil is coming mostly from like the drippings.
Yeah, I like when the bread is like so soft from the juice, like this part, but it's not falling off.
That part right there.
Oh shit!
You getting drippy? Ooh.
I don't even know where that's
That's
coming
all the
from.
way down. Yeah, make sure here. I'll hold the plate. Show the folks at home. That's nutty. Is there pepperoni in here too?
I don't think so.
Matt.
Hang on, we have to. Let's try to guess what's in here because I didn't look at it.
Okay. You just saw the word Stromboli and you said Stromboli. And I repeated Stromboli.
Basically. All right, so we have sausage, white onion,
Green and yellow pepper.
Is there green pepper too?
Yeah.
So green and banana pepper, mozzarella cheese.
It's probably that cheese again. Cheese.
Piece say sausage already?
Yeah, sausage for
I
sure.
don't think there's any other meat in here.
Maybe not.
Maybe like chopped up ham or something.
I
But I
don't
don't
see.
taste it. Definitely sausage. Mild. This would be fire with the spicy Italian sausage.
Is there pepperoni?
No. This looks good.
All right, nap time. Italian sausage, cheese, pasta sauce, Italian or onions, green peppers, banana pepper rings.
Yeah. That's it.
That's it. It's great. It's thick.
I don't love that much
Juicy.
onion in my sandwich.
It's a big old piece of onion.
I don't like that. Sorry.
Not a light slice.
If it was like a thin, like I love the super thin slices of onion or tomato. You know.
Like at like when you get a big old Italian sandwich,
You need like the mandolin.
like the Ganella spot.
Exactly. I love when my sandwich ends up looking like this kind of shit, or like a burrito where it's just like so mantled or dismantled that it doesn't look like a real thing.
I mean, so show the comparison. Yours looks beat up, and mine is a little bit more. I mean, just I'm chomping away.
I feel like I'm biting it from the outside in. That's why it's like squished
Word.
in the center.
I also do this thing that I
Yours is,
notice
like,
when I
really-
take a bite. I usually take like an extra smaller bite to clean up the little shrapnel off the side.
Yeah, dude, this looks so different.
Yours looks hurt. Yours looks so sad.
I'm murdering it, but like, not like a slow death. Man, I'm into all the sausage.
I'm into all of the sausage. I'm into all of the drippings. This cheese.
Now it's starting to taste a little salty.
Yeah.
Even though we just like ate 2 sandwiches prior, but
This is probably the saltiest.
I'm starting to taste like, oh, this is salty now. But it's good. Like,
That
I'm
makes
glad I
sense,
only
though.
have like this much left.
Oh yeah, I'm full. We had 3 half-size grinders. 3 halves. We had the half
total
of the
12
halves.
inches.
A piece. Is that what it was?
But
Because
9 inch, 18 inch,
No. No.
13 inches, or 12 and a half, 13 and a half. I can't do math right now.
My brain is cluttered with stromboli.
All right, so 3 9-inch halves is 27 divided by 2, 20 or 13 and a half inches of bread, cheese.
Would it be? Yeah, 13.5.
Where does it go?
Thank you, Bellacino's.
Grazie, grazie nonna.